Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a great week. So today I'm doing an updated how I whitened my teeth at home video. This is not a sponsored video though, by the way. I did get sent this kit for free though, and also the link down below is a commission link. Also, stay tuned for the end of this video because SmileBrilliant was kind enough to do another giveaway with me. So I will explain a bit about that at the end of the video. And also a link to these kits and SmileBrilliant will be at the top of my description if you're wondering. So the cool thing is I have a discount code as well for 10% off for you guys. So if you click the link up above in my description and also enter Alyshia Jones in your cart at the end, you can get 10% off, so that will help a lot. So this worked so well for me when I first tried it out, so I had to do another video on it again, and their packaging is all new and I just wanted to do an updated video because I look quite different now, my background's different, and their packaging is different, and also their prices are different than a year and a half ago, so I thought I would do an updated one. So before I whitened them a year and a half ago, my teeth were quite yellow, they were quite stained. I wasn't a coffee drinker or anything like that, I just had stained teeth because I'd never whitened them before. I never used a whitening toothpaste or anything, and I did like my sugar as a kid. I used to have like a lot of Milos and a lot of alcohol. Obviously when I was under 18 I'd party a lot and drink like sugary drinks every weekend, so that didn't help. So a little bit about my teeth whitening last time. It worked so well. I whitened my teeth for 3 weeks altogether. The first week I left the whitening gel on for 30 minutes, the second week for an hour, and the third week about an hour to an hour and a half, and they went like pitch white. And recently I have re-whitened my teeth. There was a little bit of staining but not too much. I couldn't believe how long SmileBrilliant made my teeth white for. I thought maybe it would last like a month or two, but it literally lasted like a year and a half. It's crazy. It's not designed to make your teeth look bleach white and fake. It's designed to gently remove the stains off your teeth so that your teeth become the original shade of white. And as you can see now, my teeth are so white yet again. A lot of you guys have been saying in my videos or in my like Insta stories or Snapchat, like, oh my god, your teeth are so white, what do you use? So that's why I also thought I'd talk about SmileBrilliant again and do an updated video for you guys. So 2 weeks ago I started whitening again and my teeth are so white again, yay! So I did it only for like 45 minutes every day for 2 weeks. I didn't like go up gradually. I could have and had them even more whiter than this. You can choose what works for you. So if you have sensitive teeth, if you have non-sensitive teeth, if you have heavy stains, if you have light stains, you can buy a kit that suits you. They did send me the heavy stains kit because they wanted me to just have a lot of product for filming and like if I make a mistake and stuff like that. The cool thing about SmileBrilliant and whitening your teeth at home is that it's so easy and so effective, and it saves you so much money. Like, it's pretty much the same result as going to the dentist, and the dentist can cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I had braces a few years back, so I had crooked teeth and yellow teeth, and I was just so insecure about my smile, and I'd always smile like this. Like, I'd never show my teeth, but now like in every photo I'm always like smiling really big because I'm so confident now, and it's crazy how much a bit of whitening and a bit of straight teeth can do to your confidence. And this is a vegan product, so that is so cool. So if you are vegan, don't worry, this stuff isn't tested on animals and it's not using any crazy chemicals, and that's what I love about the SmileBrilliant kit. So when you open it, it looks like this. So it has a bit of instructions up here. Follow the 3 easy steps. And then down here you have your instructions kit. So of course you're going to have some instructions because how else would you know how to do it? You've got your return card, and also on the return card you get like a deal. So if you want cheaper like packages of whitening gels or your second set of trays or desensitizing gels, then you can get it a bit cheaper. So if you have sensitive teeth, you can select sensitive on their website, and then they will come with the sensitizing gels as well. So obviously if you have sensitive teeth, it will be a bit more expensive because you are getting the desensitizing gel, but I recommend that you guys do get the desensitizing gel anyway because my teeth aren't that sensitive. But if you like accidentally sleep overnight in your trays or you leave them on too long, you can get like sore teeth, and I have done that a year and a half ago. I slept in my trays, and in the morning I was in agony, and at work I had to put up with like achy teeth, and it was just horrible. And then I just soaked my teeth into desensitizing gel for a few days after that, and then the sensitivity was gone. So what the desensitizing gel does is not only keep away the sensitivity, but it also puts back minerals and vitamins back into your teeth. When you whiten your teeth, it is stripping down the top layer and getting rid of the stains, so it is getting rid of those like vitamins and minerals. So even if you don't have sensitive teeth, I do recommend these. You don't have to get the whole sensitive kit if you don't want to. You can actually buy the desensitizing gels separately like this, and you can also buy the teeth whitening gel separately, so it comes in a box like this. You don't have to get the whole kit. Say if you've had braces before and you have a retainer, you can easily put the whitening gel in there, so that would save you a lot of money as well. So you could do that, and you could just buy the whitening gel separately. And SmileBrilliant do ship worldwide, which is awesome. For US residents, you get a prepaid bag to send your dental impressions off to them. But if you are international, you do have to pay for your own postage. So you have to make up the dental impressions and then you send them away yourself. So of course I'm going to show you the new packaging. I really like the new packaging compared to the last time's one. So here it is. I love it so much. Blue and white. It says SmileBrilliant, make a lasting impression, and then your new smile awaits. So that's so exciting. And at the back it just says a world leader in professional teeth whitening products. So it comes like this. You get like a little SmileBrilliant banner, and here it says smile fearlessly. And in here you've got all the whitening gels. You'd obviously have the desensitizing gels. Like, they sent me a whole bunch. Like, they were so generous. They sent me like so much, and then like these boxes full, so I'm never gonna run out. But yeah, it's so worth it. So if you got the sensitive box, you'd have them in there as well. So you also get your dental impressions here, and you get your catalyst and your base paste, which you mix together. Okay, so here's your two trays that you get. You get one for top and one for bottom, and this is so cool that they send them away to the lab and they get custom fitted to your teeth. So they've obviously got a new case now. They forgot to send me the new packaging of the new case, but this was the old one. It was black and it says SmileBrilliant, so you get your own little case. You can open it, and these are my little custom trays. So I do have retainers because I had braces, but I thought I'd make them up. Anyway, I quite like having separate ones to my retainers, and they're like gel. They're soft. They're not like retainers. They're like bendy and stuff. Yeah, that's my teeth, and they were my impressions that got sent back to me. Anyway, you've got your top and bottom, so I'm going to show you how to make up the kit. So what you've got is your catalyst and your base paste, and you've got 3 of these each, in case you make a mistake. So in your instructions, you've got a step-by-step guide of how to do everything, and you have to work these in quite quickly because they harden, and that's how you make your impression. So I'm going to put my timer on my phone. Okay, so for a minute we need to mix these two together until it turns like a nice light blue colour. So I've got the white, and then you want to take the blue one out as well. So I'm going to mix it in as quick as I can, maybe less than a minute. It says a minute or less, so maybe try and do this within like 40 seconds. Have your timer on. I'm just going to do it till I see no more white. Okay, so now you want to squash this paste into this tray. So you want to just flatten this into your mold. As you can see here, it's not that hard. You just want to squish it in. So what you want to do is squish this up against your top teeth, and you don't want to bite down. You just want to press it up. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, that was yuck. And I got my lipstick all over it. Yes, they're gonna love that. Okay, so you can see there how I had to use a bit of force to get it out of my mouth. So this is what the first one looks like. A bit gross, I know. You'd obviously do this without lipstick or makeup on because I've got my lipstick on it. But yeah, this is how it looks like. So that looks like a pretty good impression. Okay, so it says on the instruction sheet, refer to the loose blue sheet of paper to determine if your impression is adequate. So if you think your impression looks a bit funny or if it's a bit off, you can refer to the sheet. So you go underneath your tray box and it should be in the bottom, and it says dental impression, pointers for the perfect impression, and it will go away, flies. Go away. They are like everywhere. Like last night it kept going zzz, zzz, and landing on my face, and I was like, oh my god, like get lost. And it says examples of a wrong impression, like if the putty is gone all over the place or if it's coming way out the edges. These are like all the wrong impressions. Okay, so mind all the saliva, but there is my dental impression for the bottom. It looks really good. There's no walls collapsing. You can just see all the teeth perfectly, and it's deep enough so you can see where the teeth end and kind of where the gum starts as well. So just leave them to fully set really hard for up to half an hour, and then rinse under cool water. So I'm going to go and do that now. So I've just rinsed these off. They're all clean. And what you want to do is fill out this card. So this is the return card. So you have to sign all of that off. So you want to put that in the bag, make sure it's all filled out, and then you want to put in your dental impressions in the bag as well once they're like good. So you want to put that in, and you want to seal it up, of course, so it looks like that. And then you want to go to your post office if you were like from New Zealand or Australia or any other country apart from the US. You have to pay for your own postage. So it's got the SmileBrilliant address and stuff already on there. You just have to pay for postage and send it away, and then they'll obviously send it back to you with your trays. So just in case you're wondering, it takes 3 to 5 days for the SmileBrilliant lab to receive your impressions, and it also says email notification will be sent when lab receives your impressions, so that's really handy. And then it says 3 to 5 days for tray creation, so it will take another 3 to 5 days for them to make it up. And then it says 3 to 5 days for trays to deliver, or 6 to 10 days for international customers. So it can take up to 3 or 4 weeks for the whole process to be done. So now you can start whitening your teeth. So first you want to open the first pack. So this is what it looks like. It looks like an injection. Creepy, I know. Okay, so when you open it, it has a little cap on the top, so you need to grab some scissors and cut that off. Okay, I'm holding it as close as I can so you guys can see. So what you want to do is squirt a thin line of gel in the center of the top impression first. So I'm going slowly across, as you can see, not too much so your teeth aren't too sensitive. It doesn't have to be like a perfect line. But see, just like that. So a little thin line of gel in the center. Okay, so once the whitening gel is in, you want to put this in and leave it in for half an hour up to 3 hours. So what I do is probably like 45 minutes. I think that's a good time. Don't leave it in too long, or you can get sensitive sore teeth. Just slide it up like that, so then all the gel spreads evenly throughout your teeth. So I'm going to leave this in for 45 minutes, and by the way, you can't drink or eat for half an hour before or after this is done. So yeah, I like to do it at night time after dinner. After it's all done, you want to spit out, rinse out your mouth in the basin, and then rinse out this tray. So with the desensitizing gel, it's the exact same steps, and I recommend doing this after each whitening session. Even if you don't have sensitive teeth, I recommend putting this in because it will put back all the good stuff into your teeth and just make sure you don't get sensitivity like later on. And you want to cut off the top just like you did for the whitening gel. So now what you want to do is put in the trays with the desensitizing gel, and you want to leave it in there for 15 to 20 minutes. And it says not to rinse your mouth out afterwards, but I personally like to because I don't really like the taste of it. And prior to putting this one in, the desensitizing gel, you want to make sure your teeth is all dry just so it works to the tooth a bit better. So you want to grab a towel or something and just dry off your teeth before you put this in. So that's the end of the process. I hope you guys found that pretty straightforward. Okay, so now onto the giveaway. SmileBrilliant were kind enough to do a giveaway for you guys. So the giveaway is for a whole SmileBrilliant teeth whitening kit. Yay! So this giveaway is going to be international and it is going to be open for 2 weeks. So all you have to do is click on the giveaway link down below and you just have to fill in your details and give your email address and you are in the draw to win. And SmileBrilliant will pick the winner in 2 weeks time. If you do win, they will email you, so good luck. And remember, my link to SmileBrilliant and the teeth whitening kits are at the top of my description bar, so definitely go and check that out. And also don't forget you can use the code Alyshia Jones for 10% off. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!